Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing or teaching or experimenting. I don't know what to call this, but basically I'm going to be trying the levitation effect. I've been seeing this tutorial on YouTube, but I've been seeing it on After Effects and those pro editing apps, so I decided to apply it on Inshot to see if I'm going to get the same result. And these are the pictures I was able to create. You can also do the video version using this method, but yeah, I tried the photography version first because yeah, I'm not really a pro. So yeah, this was basically how I did it. The first part was to use a tool, any tool of your choice, and while sitting on it, make sure your leg is like make it as straight as possible so that you can be able to edit the tool part out. You also have to ensure that while filming, your video and camera setup is stable. It's very much advisable to use artificial light instead of natural light so that you can be able to have control of your setup. You also have to take a picture or a video of the scene without you and the stool. After filming, we go on Inshot. So now we go on Inshot, we go to photos, new, select the picture you want to edit, then you go to PIP, which is PIP. PIP, you take the picture without you or the stool in the background, and then you drag it to the same size as here, and then you go to mask. You pick any mask of your choice, but just make sure the shape is good enough to remove the stool, and then you pull this thing down to remove the line. As you can see, the max picture is still very obvious. This is exactly why you have to ensure that your lighting setup and camera does not change position at any given point of you shooting, because look, now the mask is having different color to the actual picture. So now we have to fix this. Now to adjust the color, I'm going to just go to adjust and then reduce the lighting so it can be just as dark as the rest of the scene. Yeah, I think it looks cute. Now the difference is not that much. And voila, this is the result. Yeah, so basically that was the best I could do with Inshot. I feel like it's not only the app is not really the problem here. The problem is I don't really have the props for it because I'm supposed to use green screen. I wanted to see if I could do it without green screen, but I think it works if you're willing to put in the time and the effort. I don't know. This was just an experiment. It was not something that was important for me. So basically, I did not put that much effort, but yeah, it is what it is. And click here for more editing tutorials, like serious editing tutorials, okay? And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.